Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro, and I'm really excited to bring this one to you guys as I'll be using this with an eGPU and putting it up against my 16-inch with the i9 2.4 gigahertz processor and seeing which one go best with the eGPU. And I am already leaning, because this one's got the 10th gen Intel processor in it, whereas the other one has the 9th gen. I think because of the core count and things like that, even though the core count is a lot lower on this one, it has a better speed on a single core. So I think it'll do better in gaming, but I'll be doing an overall analysis. So I'm really excited about this. So let's get without further ado, let's get the unboxing underway. Now, the reason I got this one and why I'm so excited about this one and bringing it to you guys is, look at those specs. So it's got a quad core i7 2.3 gigahertz, whereas not the i5, which is a lot lower. I think it's only 1.5 gigahertz, and it's got 32 gigs of RAMs with 2 terabyte hard drive. So this is, I've really souped this up for you guys for this test. It's got the Intel Iris graphics, so that'll make my life a lot easier to run boot camp and connect the eGPU to it, because if you guys have any experience with boot camp and running an eGPU, anything with a DGPU in it would have a lot of problems trying to run an eGPU. As this one's got an iGPU, it's going to be really easy to pair this up with a AMD eGPU. All right, so let's open this box. So straight off, they've made it a lot easier, as you guys can see, with these little tabs that you can just pull, and bingo, everything comes off. Okay, all right, that's the front of the box. Now, opening that up, it's not that weighty. I've gotten used to my 16-inch. This is my first 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's got a nice soft feel to it. That's just normal cardboard there. All right, that's the MacBook Pro, and I've got space gray. I don't know why Apple doesn't do black. I'm a big fan of black. All right, let's put this aside for a second and look at what else do we get in the box. So straight off, you guys will see we've got a USB-C to USB-C charger, which is the same one that you get with the iPad. Unfortunately, they're not doing it with the iPhone for some reason. So you've got the booklet and everything with the warranty and a couple of stickers in there. And the 13-inch comes with a smaller charging brick, and it is, I think, 61 watt charging brick. So that's to charge it up and keep it running. All right, let's get that out of the way. So here you go, guys. You've got the 13-inch MacBook Pro in front of you. Let's open this up. I don't like destroying everything, so I like just gently opening it up from one side and taking it out. All right, so that's the back of the computer. It's got that space there where you can use one finger just to open it up. That's a real Mac thing that they used to sell. Now, this is such a small form laptop. Even though it's only 3 inches smaller than the 16-inch, it feels and it looks so much more smaller compared to the 16-inch. Okay, so you've got some vents here, and you've got the vent in the back to keep it cool. All right, let's open this up. I hate opening it up because it starts up the laptop, but let's open it up. An unboxing can't be done without opening the laptop. Okay, so you've got the touch bar, and you've got the touch ID, and you've got a physical escape key, just like the 16-inch. They've changed everything on this as well. right, that didn't turn on, so that's a good thing. Maybe it's out of charge. And that's it. That was nice and short and simple. Okay. And I'll just like to show you guys the ports as well, which I liked. They changed the ports in the MacBook Pro 13-inch. They used to only come with 2 Thunderbolt ports, whereas now they come with 4. So 2 on each side. And what that means is, as you guys can appreciate, there's one bus controlling the 2 Thunderbolt ports. So if you had only 2 with one bus and you had something that was transfer heavy, so for example an SSD and a external GPU, it would really strain that one port, whereas now you've got 2 bus inside and each bus control those 2. So you can run maybe like a mouse from one, and another one you can use it for the SSD and the eGPU on the other side, which makes a lot more sense. Anyways guys, that's it for the unboxing. I will be reviewing the 13-inch by itself very soon. Give me about a week for that, week or 2, and after that I'll be bringing you guys a complete analysis of tests based on productivity and also gaming tests as well with the eGPU. Productivity and eGPU would be done and gaming would be done with eGPU, without eGPU, and I'm going to be testing it against the 16-inch and against the iMac 2020 that I got with the 5700 XT 16GB VRAM graphic card. All right guys, stay tuned for that, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel and check out our Patreon page. Thanks, bye.
Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe, give it a like, and follow us on Patreon as well, and support us to see more content. Thank you. Bye.